If you are managing a small business, the last thing you want is a CRM that feels unnecessarily complicated. That's exactly why Bigin by Zoho CRM was created. In today's landscape, you need more than just a digital Rolodex. You need a tool that is AI-ready and built for the future. Securely integrate Bigin data with AI tools such as Windsurf, Claude, VS Code, and others to fetch record information, trigger workflows, and more. Zoho does have its primary CRM platform, but Bigin takes a different direction. It's a more straightforward CRM designed for smaller teams that need efficiency. While the full Zoho CRM is tailored for enterprises with advanced customization needs, Bigin simplifies the experience by focusing on the essentials. Today, we're reviewing Bigin to see how well it meets the needs of small businesses. When you sign up, Bigin doesn't overwhelm you with setup wizards or complicated modules. Instead, it drops you directly into the pipeline view. There are 30+ pipeline templates available for different teams and industries that can be customized based on business requirements. That choice is deliberate, because for any small business, the pipeline offers a full snapshot of activity, what deals are closed and which ones are stuck, all in one place. It feels intuitive. The interface follows a clear left-to-right structure that makes navigation feel automatic.
On the left sidebar, we have our core features: pipelines, contacts, companies, products, activities, and dashboard, neatly tucked away. If you integrate WhatsApp chat with Bigin, then a messages module will also be added there.
Then, in the top right corner, there's a convenient shortcut button for creating new records instantly, placed right next to notifications, signals, and settings. If you've worked with the full Zoho CRM, these elements will look familiar, though they're more refined here. There's also the option to switch between light and dark modes depending on preference. Overall, the experience stays simple, which is exactly what a small team needs to remain productive without a steep learning curve. Let's take a closer look at the pipelines, because this is where Bigin really proves its value. The core of this section centers on visual clarity. The default layout is the Kanban board, which allows us to drag and drop deals from one stage to the next. But if you prefer more detailed data, you can switch to a list or sheet view without any hassle. When we click on a deal card, it opens up a complete set of information. We can view contact details, company data, and even tags or descriptions that help keep everything well organized. What stands out is the 360-degree view within each card. We can track the full timeline of interactions, notes, and even stage history to understand exactly where a deal may have slowed down. The integration is seamless, allowing us to collect payments or send emails directly from the deal record without switching tabs. Another standout aspect of Bigin's pipeline setup is that we're not restricted to a single workflow. We can create sub-pipelines, as many as the business needs. This becomes especially useful when you need one pipeline for sales, another for onboarding after a purchase, and even one for renewals. Managing everything in one place keeps the entire team on the same page. And if you're unsure where to begin, Bigin includes a library of pipeline templates designed for industries like real estate, law, or e-commerce. You simply choose a template and the stages are already set up, so there's no need to build anything from the ground up. Next, we should look at how Bigin manages relationship data across the system. The Contacts and Companies modules act as the central hub of the CRM. Within Bigin, they exist as two distinct yet tightly connected elements. When we create a contact, we can link that person to a company, which instantly brings together all data from every team member into a single shared view. This helps avoid situations where two people on our team unknowingly contact the same client with conflicting details. One feature that stands out is the email end capability. It lets us create aliases so incoming client emails are automatically routed to the correct contact record. Today, keeping data accurate is critical, and Bigin supports that with a built-in card scanner in its mobile app. When we're attending a networking event, we simply take a photo of a business card and Bigin fills in the contact details.
Users can import existing contacts if they are stored in spreadsheets, notes, or other CRMs with just a few clicks.
As we move deeper into the sales journey, we arrive at the Products module. Even though Bigin is positioned as a lightweight CRM, it still covers the core needs for product-focused businesses. we're able to keep an organized list of everything we offer, complete with pricing and detailed descriptions. While managing a deal within the pipeline, we can easily link the relevant products directly to that deal. What stood out to us is the seamless two-way synchronization with accounting platforms like Zoho Books, Shopify, or QuickBooks. When a product is added to a deal in Bigin, it carries through accurately for invoicing later. This goes beyond simple storage. It works as a practical system that lets us monitor which products perform best and which may require additional marketing attention. For small businesses, having this kind of product tracking and deal integration without relying on a complex ERP system makes a meaningful difference. As we continue through the workday flow, the activity section becomes the place where actions are actually carried out. A newly added calendar view on the Activities page now offers a structured overview of the entire week. One of the most important features included here is the Booking page's integration. This update is impactful because it allows us to send a link to clients, letting them schedule meetings based on our live availability. It removes the need for constant back-and-forth emails of "Are you free at 2 p.m.?" Within this section, we're able to create tasks, plan events, and initiate calls directly when telephony integration is enabled. In terms of syncing capabilities, full integration with Google Calendar and Microsoft Calendar is included. This means that when a personal event is scheduled on our phone, it automatically reflects as busy in Bigin, eliminating scheduling conflicts. The goal here is to keep everything aligned so nothing gets missed while we focus on business growth. Of course, all this information doesn't help much unless we can interpret it clearly, and that's exactly where the dashboard proves useful. Bigin gives us a visual snapshot of overall business performance through multiple KPIs and charts. We're able to monitor metrics like deals won versus lost, performing users as they update in real time. In the latest update, the dashboards offer a high level of customization. The target meter allows us to define clear goals for the team, such as reaching a specific revenue target by month's end, and then track progress visually as deals are completed. It goes beyond static reporting. We can click into any chart to explore the exact records driving the data. This kind of detailed visibility is typically found in more expensive platforms, yet Bigin makes it available even for smaller startups. Besides the main parts, Bigin has a lot of power with many smart features that keep your work going by itself. To talk with people where they are, Bigin has a smooth WhatsApp integration. You can read all your WhatsApp messages right from the CRM, so your team sees every single chat in one place. Lastly, Bigin makes the boring part of work easy, the forms. When you need to find new customers, the integration with Zoho Forms is a big help. You can make your own forms, put them on your site, and see new names show up as notes in your list with no typing by hand. With Payment Collection, you can create secure pay links and send them to people right from a sales file. Bigin integrates with everyday applications such as Microsoft Teams, MailChimp, etc. And we can't ignore automation here. With Bigin's automation, you can automate your repetitive tasks easily. You can pick a trigger, set conditions, figure out actions, and schedule those actions. That's the easiest way to create an automation within Bigin.
In the end, we see Bigin by Zoho CRM as a strong match for micro businesses and small teams that feel traditional CRMs are overly complex. It offers a clean balance of simplicity and professional-level tools. All these features are also available on iOS and Android devices, along with other platform-specific features that make managing business much easier on the go. If you're ready to move past spreadsheets and finally have a complete 360-degree view of your customers, Bigin makes sense. Check the description to start your free trial today. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.